Welcome back to the show for our To the Stars series. Today we are in downtown Salina. They have such a great art scene down here, and we're going to learn all about that and a lot of great things to do here in the Salina area with Colby Sharples-Terry. She's the Public Relations and Communications Manager for Kansas Tourism. You guys know her by now. Colby, thanks for being on again today.
Yes, good to see you.
So just tell us, down here in Salina, there's so much cool arts and things to see. So just tell us a little bit about it down here.
I just wanted to highlight the art scene in Salina. It really is vibrant. The murals, my favorite mural in the state is the mural at the mill that was just finished. You know, even right across the street from us right now at Ad Astra Book and Coffee House, they have their Greetings from Salina mural. You know, they did a restoration on the Stiefel Theater that finished up last year. At night it's lit up like Broadway. Absolutely beautiful. There's a lot of cool art scene stuff to do here.
Yeah, Salina Arts and Humanities does a great job down here to just make this place so lively downtown. Talking about the sculpture tour, tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so they unveiled it this last weekend. So what they do every year, there's 15 to 25. This year there's 22, I'm assuming for 2022, but what it is, it's a public art tour. You can pick up brochures at several locations and you walk around, you find all these sculptures, and then you can vote on your favorite. And then on December 31st, they tally all the people's choice, and the winner actually gets bought by the city of Salina and becomes a permanent art installation in the community. And then all the other sculptures are for sale also.
Yeah, and there's a lot of variety
Yes.
in these sculptures as well. I was seeing maybe some insects and some just kind of some freestyle ones as well.
Yes, they're artists from several different states.
Yeah,
so.
it's a really cool thing. So if you can, come on down here, downtown Salina, and see it. But while you're down here in Salina, there's so much to do in this community. So what are some of those things maybe some people should have on their bucket list here in Salina?
So they did a revitalization down here. They're finishing up some of these big projects. There's new streetscapes, there's new businesses, there's new retail. I know that you filmed at the new attraction, the Garage here in Salina, which if you haven't been, it's really, really cool. I'm not an automobile person, and that museum's awesome, and it's not just because they have beer and wine on tap. There's so much shopping and food. It really is a neat town. There's also Rolling Hill Zoo nearby. You can easily spend a weekend here, you know, as a Kansan and just explore, and you'll fall in love with it.
Yeah, we always enjoy coming down to Salina just because there's so many cool shops and different things. Their downtown, like you said, is really revitalized, especially the last couple of years with shops and different things to do. So come on down here. Colby, how can people get more information about Kansas tourism?
Yeah, go to travelks.com, and we have city pages. So if you're interested in coming to Salina, which you are, you go to one of our city pages, you'll find Salina there, and then also use our hashtag #ToTheStarsKS.
I love the hashtag #ToTheStarsKS. Make sure you're using that so we can see all the cool places that you guys are traveling in the state. Colby, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
That'll do it for this edition of Good Day Kansas. Hope you can tune in tomorrow at 12:30 right here on KSN.